Initially, we started as developing our own product, Maduras. We had no investors at that stage, so we also started developing custom softwares, providing software architecture consultations, DevOps, data ELT, digital marketing, SEO, and web hosting services. We are very customer focused and follow efficient processes to deliver high quality, robust softwares and upgrades over time. We have clients across computer IT, cybersecurity, compliance, transportation, e-commerce, fintech, travel, hospitality management, and data management industries. We operate in various countries around the world, and we have strong presence in USA, Gulf, Africa, and Asia. I'm really proud at my team for making things happen here at Vistaran Tech, a team that I have mentored personally and seen grow over the years, not just professionally but personally as well. It has been a great experience to watch the level of progress the team has made over a very short time span.
I started working here as a junior Laravel developer. It has been 3 years now. I have learned a lot since then. From the day one, I really liked working here. The work culture here is great. I have got a healthy and motivating environment here. I learned many technical and social skills. I have to say this is the best opportunity I have got so far to improve myself.
I joined as an intern 6 months back. I learned 360-degree marketing, all kind of tactics, strategies, cooperation and collaboration between different departments. After completing the internship, I got a full-time employment in the company. Main thing I appreciate about the restaurant is the work culture, no workload, no pressure. I just love working here.
I have been working here since 1 year. Initially, I joined as an intern, and after completing my internship, I got hired as a junior full-stack developer. In the duration of around 6 to 7 months, I learned 7 to 8 different technologies including TypeScript, JavaScript, Angular, CSS, Bootstrap, Tailwind, .NET MVC, Laravel, and Node.js. I never thought I was capable to learn this many technologies in such a short duration of time. I am very grateful for making me this much capable by giving me so many opportunities and help me push my limits.